In summer 2023, we conducted a week-long summer camp in Utqiagvik, Alaska, to teach middle school students about engineering principles, design, and research. We called this activity the Sea Level Rise Demonstration. Sea ice is frozen seawater that floats on the ocean. Land ice is snow that piles up over time that eventually compacts into ice. For this demonstration, you will need 2 bins of equal sizes, molding clay, straws, scissors, ice, water, hand warmers, and a hairdryer. Fill a half of each bin with clay, molding the clay so it represents a flat shoreline with rising hills. Cut up straws in 1 to 2 inch pieces and stick them in the clay, so one bin has pieces of straw toward the shore of the clay, and the other bin has straws in the mountains of the clay. These straws represent homes. We place straws in separate regions of the bins to allow room for the ice to be placed, but in the real-life territories, homes can be located both near and away from the shore. Imagine you just won the lottery and want to buy 2 new houses. You love cold climates, so you choose a house in Greenland, a place with lots of land ice, as your summer home, and a house in Alaska, a place with lots of sea ice, as your winter home. Allow students to choose a straw in each bin as their homes. The bin with straws in the hills represents Alaska, and the bin with the straws on the shoreline represent Greenland. Put equal amounts of ice in the hills of the Greenland bin and in the bottom of the Alaska bin to represent land ice and sea ice. Fill each bin with water up to the shorelines and mark the side of the bins at the starting water level. We will now use hand warmers and a hairdryer to melt the ice and simulate global temperatures. As the ice melts, students will make a hypothesis. Which bin's water level will rise more? You should see Greenland's bin will rise in water level, while Alaska's water level will remain the same. This is because the land ice in Greenland melts and runs off into the water, adding extra water to the current water level. In the Alaska bin, the sea ice also melts in warm temperatures, but the melted water replaces the space originally occupied by sea ice. As global temperatures rise, land ice melts and runs off into bodies of water, taking up unoccupied space and allowing bodies of water to rise in volume. Melted sea ice has the same volume as frozen sea ice, so as sea ice melts with rising temperatures, it does not contribute to rising sea levels. Therefore, land ice is a concern to scientists as global temperatures rise. We can see from Greenland's bin that land ice causes water levels to rise over the land and flood houses close to the shore. So scientists must consider the risk of coastal flooding and how to best prevent damage to coastal communities.